I'm Dr. Sherwood Baxt. I am a board-certified plastic surgeon and I practice in Paramus, New Jersey. And I'd like to discuss with you SmartLipo, specifically the SmartLipo MPX, and why you'd want to see a plastic surgeon regarding smart liposuction. We were the first ones in New Jersey with the original SmartLipo, the first one ever. And we used it for about a year and we got some pretty good results with it. At this point, we now have, I think the 6th in the country to get the new SmartLipo MPX, which makes the original machine almost obsolete. But the question is, why see a plastic surgeon? There's rarely a day in consultations in my office that I don't see one or two or sometimes more patients who have had consultations with non-plastic surgeons who have obtained or somehow or other gotten a hold of the original SmartLipo machine, and patients are being sold a bill of goods that's hard to imagine. If you have SmartLipo and you are a gynecologist using it, or an emergency room doctor, or a family doctor, and you don't do surgery, any patient that walks in the office is going to have SmartLipo done, even if it's completely inappropriate. I have seen so many patients who really require, let's say, an abdominoplasty, and they're told, well, you're going to get a result with SmartLipo. I will be objective and tell you, because I am a surgeon, if you need an abdominoplasty, then that's what you need, and SmartLipo is not going to do it for you. If you don't want to do that, that's okay, but at least I can give you both sides of the story. We also see patients who require large volume fat removals, and people are being told, well, you can do that with smart liposuction. I recently had a patient who came in for a consultation, and we went through the whole consultation. We did our computer imaging with her, and I showed her the changes that I would make. And at the end of the consultation, she broke the news to me that, well, I've already had this done with SmartLipo. It was done by a non-plastic surgeon who hadn't the vaguest idea what they were doing. She said it was done with her awake, fine. It was no pain, fine. There was no black and blue, fine. There was also zero result. We then went back, did it for her using the SmartLipo, but also using some traditional suction along with it to remove the oil or the tissue that's left behind, and got a great result for her. The bottom line, why see a plastic surgeon? I feel that a plastic surgeon, and that's not just me, but plastic surgeons in general who are surgeons, will be able to give you the realistic options. If SmartLipo is the right thing for you, fine. If it's not, they'll tell you that you really need something else, and then it will be your decision. If you want to come in and discuss this with us, we do use a computer imaging session with each of our patients. We'd be delighted to see you. And that's in Paramus, New Jersey, and the phone is 201-265-1300. Thank you.